What's up, guys? Welcome to 12M Hustle. Welcome back. If you're new to my channel, make sure you guys subscribe, like, and hit that share button. Appreciate it. So today I'm going to go over basically the easiest day trading strategy, one that I use for most of my futures, and I've used it as well in small caps, big caps. So let's get right into it. So I have the NQ here, and basically what it is I use previous day high, which is PDH, which is the high from the day before, and previous day low, which is PDL, which is the low from the day before. Okay, so I'll go down into a 10-minute. We'll go look at a 5-minute for you guys. So here it is. So basically the way it is you do not start trading until this level is either breached and it gives you a confluence of where to go. So for example, on this NQ, right? This was Friday from this past week, yesterday. You basically break the previous day low, you short, and then your stop is going to be your London low, right? Pretty simple, easy. I'll go ahead and replay it for you guys. If you're using small size, I'm all about base hits. Let's say you're using 2 micros, right? And you're looking for this level down here as a target. Correct. So you go. You're already in the money instantly. Of course, this is NQ, so this is 2 minis. You trail it. Excuse me, you trail it, and then boom, right? You let it ride. Boom, target. There it is. You are one and done. Okay, so that's pretty much how this day trading strategy works. You basically are not trading until either a previous day high, which is the low of yesterday's, or a previous day high is taken, has been touched. So this is NQ. Let's look at the ES. Boom, ES, correct? This was Friday, same thing. Got this on a 5-minute for you guys. Here's your previous day high, previous day low. Let's say you take the same exact trade, correct? We take the same trade. We're here. Once it breaks, we'll take one contract, one lot, and you'll put your stop at the high of that previous bar, which is right there, and you just let it go, correct? Boom, instant in the money. You'll go ahead and secure some profits just so you have a free trade. That's a free trade. So basically, you'll let it ride. Your target is that level right there. You've hit your target. You flatten it. Boom. Money is made, right? Look at that. Easy peasy, right? That's on the ES. I'm going to show you how it works on the CL. Same concept, same thing. You do not start trading until this level is breached. So we're looking at CL. Boom, look at this. So this is a no trade day right here. Why? Because you have oil opens at 6 in the morning. Look at this. You got chop, 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 chop. It's just hanging out in the London level. And it does not breach previous day high till about 10:40. So you could even say if you're off the table by these are PST times, by the way. If you are off the table, off trading for 8:40, you don't get to watch this. You are done. This is a no trade day right here. Correct? And this is the indicator, but you can also draw your lines if you want. You know, all you got to do is you take off the indicator and just draw your levels and name them yourself. This is Trading View, by the way. Same thing. Did not touch previous day low. Did not touch previous day high. So I've shown you the NQ, the ES, CO, which is oil, and I'm going to show you one more. Actually, 2 more. I'll do RTY, which is the Russell, right? For all my small cap traders out there, you know what the Russell's up, right? These are all the small companies. Look at this. You could have scalped this if you wanted, but this is already midday. I wouldn't have traded this. So this is another non-trade day, correct? If you're trading the New York session. Now, if you would have been trading Asia and London, you could have traded it, correct? So it doesn't work every day, but it does work on some of these indices. So you will find on at least one of them a tradable day. And we'll also check out the Dow. Well, my Dow Jones. What's up? You guys know what's up, Dow Jones. So we'll check out the Dow. Here's the Dow. It's the prettiest level. I got marked off, a couple levels off there. And if you look at this, it is the same exact move that we have, right? Here's your previous day low. Boom, it gets hit. You short it instantly. So another bias for the previous day low is under previous day low, you're looking for shorts mainly off the first break. Previous day high, you're looking for longs above it, right? So that's pretty much the bias for it. So here's this, right? And you know it's about to hit. You let it hit, breaks. You short one lot. You put your stop at the top of that prior level, the prior bar, and you let it ride for a little bit. I'd say your target was here, right? One of the other levels from 2 days before. You take it, instant money. Boom. Nice little 355 and you're done. You are done by like before the open basically, right? And that is it. So that I've shown you how to use this to trade the Dow, the NQ, the ES, RTY, the Russell 2000, and CL, which is going to be oil. Now, I have not traded it on gold. I am not a gold trader, so I don't know how that works. But it's pretty simple. If you guys want the indicator that I use on here, you guys can go on TradingView. And this is the season liquidation tracker. That's going to be for the Asia, for the London. That breaks that down, right? You guys can look that up. If you guys want the actual one I use for the previous day low, it is going to be this one right here. It's just called HLOC, CMHLOC. It's going to show you it'll show you your previous day high, your previous day low. It'll show you your weekly high. It'll show you your weekly low. It pretty much breaks down it breaks down all the levels on here. So if you guys have any more questions, please let me know. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share. Welcome to my channel, 12M Hustle. Have a great weekend, guys. Take care. Peace.